First, connect the hose with the nozzle to the tire you are trying to inflate or deflate. Use provided needle adapters if necessary. Then connect the hose to the air compressor. After that, connect the red and black alligator clips to the vehicle battery. Then start your vehicle engine and check your tire pressure. Verify all hoses are connected. On the air compressor, use the control panel to set to your desired pressure. Then press the on button to start. Once the air compressor reaches the desired pressure, it will automatically stop. Air compressor might stop prematurely due to thermal cutoff. Verify the tire pressure through the vehicle's dashboard.